Hey all, thought I would show you position hold on an X-Class drone that's running on iNav 7.1. Frame is a modified version of the Chief made by CrissCross SPV. Motors are from Demon Power, and these are their Omen series version 2, 4220, and that's 460 kV. PDB or power distribution board and ESCs are from Advanced Power Drives, and the flight controller is a Lumenier H7. This is a 12S setup with 13-inch props. Let's see, DJI 03 for video transmission, TBS DIVERSITY for radio and GPS, which works flawlessly. Any questions? Put them in the comments below.